Hello, my name is Luana Okino Sawada. I will be walking you through the MetaTrader 4 trading platform for Forex. Before beginning, I would like to introduce my mentor and product owner, Professor Masoud Sadjadi. When you first open the Forex software, you will be presented with something like this. Let me start by talking about the section right here. This is your market watch, where you will find all the currency pairs of your choice that you wish to monitor throughout your trade. You can right-click and choose to display other informations besides bid and ask, such as spread, high-low, and time. On the right side of your screen, you will see 4 different charts windows displaying several preset currency pairs. If you want to reuse the opened Windows chart or update them, you can just drag and drop the currency pair of your choice from the market watch list directly over an open window. To close, you just need to click on the X. To create a new window from another currency pair, some of the ways you can do this is by first, dragging and drop from your market watch list, being careful not to drop directly inside an open window, so aim around the edges. Second, selecting and right-clicking an individual pair from your watch list and choosing the option chart window. And the third one, you can click on the icon on your top bar to create a new chart and select your currency pair. If you would like to change how they are displayed, you can click on the window on the top bar and select from these different views. On the top bars, you will see several icons. Here you will have the option to change the type of the chart to bar charts, to candlesticks, or to line charts. You can also zoom in or zoom out, and once again arrange window displays, accommodating your charts to as non-overlapping tiles. With this next button, you can auto scroll to the end of your chart, or you can also scroll with a right margin and change the chart shift as you wish. You can also add an indicator, for example, trend, moving average. We will see this new window where we can change some properties. The next button is the period button, as the same ones here at the bottom. We can choose as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. The next button is to add a template. So Forex come with these ones. We can select one to view it. To delete an indicator and or template, you right-click on the chart and choose the indicator list. You select the indicator you want to delete and hit delete. We can also customize our charts. We just need to right-click on the chart and select properties. We can customize the colors like the background color. We can change the bar up and the bar down colors. Usually, the bull candle is white or green and the bear candle is black or red. Also, we can customize the common. We can change to candlesticks and add period separators and take out the grid. On the bottom icon bar, we can find the cursor that will help us navigate in the chart. Then we have the crosshair, where the first number on the left indicates the number of the candlesticks between one point to another. The second number indicates the pips between them, and the last one shows the price at that point. You can create objects like vertical lines to make it easy to verify if an uptrend is an uptrend on a different period of time. For example, if we go to 1 hour chart and we put the vertical line here, and then we change to 4 hour chart, we can verify if the uptrend is still an uptrend or if it is a downtrend. We can do the same analogy with the horizontal line for the support and resistance level. The next one is the trend line for you to identify upcoming trends. Then we have equidistance channel and Fibonacci reinforcement to facilitate to verify some patterns. Lastly, we have the terminal located at the bottom of the screen. If yours is not showing, you can just click on the terminal icon on the top bar. Here, the most important tabs for you to stay tuned is the Trade tab, which show your trades, and the Account Story that will show your balance when you have done an order. When you make a new order, make sure to select the right currency pair, the stop loss, and the take profit numbers before selling or buying it. That's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. Please feel free to email me to send feedbacks or if you have any questions about this video at lokin001@fiu.edu. Or if you have any questions about the project, you can contact my mentor and project owner at sadjadi@cs.fiu.edu. Thank you for watching this video.